Today we'll be drawing some beetles. Now the first one is going to be the insect kind. To begin with, remember, start in the middle of your page, leave enough room, and we'll make a big curve for the body. Mine's a little lopsided. And then a line straight from one end to the other. Now I'm drawing a little belly, so a long half circle, I guess a half oval. Then I'm going to overlap with one big circle. That's going to be the head. Now 2 circles in there for the eyes and some more circles again for the pupils. Now I'm going to draw some antenna, and don't worry, we'll be doing some erasing later, so it'll make more sense. Now I'm deciding where to put the mouth. So I'm going to put a little mouth over here off to the side so we don't have to worry about erasing it. So half circle again, but upside down, some eyebrows, another half circle for a tongue. Lots of circles and half circles going on here. Okay, now I'm going to add some details. So I've got some curved lines across the back, across the shell. Then we'll make 6 legs. So start from the body on one side, and then the legs that are supposed to be on the other side, you won't be able to see all of. So look here on the last one. So I start from the edge of that body, and then on the one beside it, it starts under the belly. I'm going to take my pen or marker, and you can use whichever you like, or you can use colored pencil, crayon, whatever you're working with. If you decide not to and you just want to draw with pencil, that's totally fine too. The only lines that you'll need to erase are within the face. So in the face where you can still see the line for the body behind it, just erase that bit. And if you have a little bit of an extra lines around the face like I did, you can get rid of that too. There we have it. Our beetle is done, and I colored mine in. So choose to do yours however you want. Next up, another beetle. This time it's the car. So if you're not familiar, there is a type of car called a beetle. This time I'm going to draw a line across the bottom. Then I'm going to add 2 small circles for the wheels, and notice how they're not on the ends. There's a little bit of a line. So now I'm going to draw a big half circle from the end of that line and over, so it kind of covers each of those circles. And then from about the middle of each of those, I'm going to draw another half circle. A line down the center. What's next? Okay, let's see. So I want my window, so I'm drawing a line across the middle and then another half circle. Now I have 2 windows, and we'll add a few details. So I'll draw a line there so we know that this is a door, and a door handle, of course, so we can get in. Then an oval for the headlight, and an oval for the taillight. Next we need a little curve for the bumpers. I'm going to go ahead and add my hubcaps with a circle in the center. So that's basically it, and that went pretty quickly. We'll need to do a little bit of erasing around the wheels. So when I draw over it with pen, then I clean it up a little bit, meaning I get the lines looking, usually, hopefully, really how I like them. So if there's anything I didn't like so much when I did the pencil drawing, I can change that a little bit when I do the drawing with the pen. Here is my Volkswagen Beetle all finished up and colored in a bright shiny red. That's how I like this one. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I enjoyed drawing it. Please hit the subscribe button, and if you like this, hit the like button. See you soon.